story you're going to tell us?
Three Billy Goats Griff. Once, one time, there were three Billy Goats. The big one, the medium-sized one, and a small one. And that's all here. First, and then the troll said, "Oh no, you're not coming over my bridge." So the small one, and go trick track, trick track, trick track. Who's coming over my bridge? It's me, the small one. I'm going to eat you. No, I'm too small. For my brother. And the medium-sized one. And then the medium one. And the troll says, "Who's?" And go trick track, trick track. "Who's coming over my bridge?" "It's me, the medium size." "I'm going to eat you." "No, I'm too small. Wait for my brother." And then okay. And the big one. And go trick track, trick track, trick track. "Who's coming over my bridge?" "It's me, the big one." "I'm going to eat you." No, wait, not. So, poof up on his head and splash. And the three Billy Goats Griff eat the sweet green grass. Finish.
Oh, I love the story.
Finish.
I love the story, Zuzu.
Now it's you. Oh! I missed this! It's the same. This and this.
Yeah, it's the same.
The same. It's the same. The same.
What other stories do you see there? Here. What other stories can you see here?
Gingerbread man.
The gingerbread man.
Three pigs.
Three little pigs.
This a horse. The chick. 3 bears and the Goldilocks
and the 3 bears. What else?
Now you.
Okay, I'll tell her the story.